Hello and welcome to BusyWorksBeats.com. Today we continue our sample series right here at BusyWorksBeats.com/sample. Today we're going to focus on the sound packs that I like from Native Instruments. Now again, when we say samples, we don't just mean sample songs. It's also drum samples, samples of things. Sampling is just recording something and using it. So my favorite drum samples, let's go to Machine Library. Yes, you can import your machine library inside of FL Studio. So you can, they all use waves. Okay, so let's see here. So you can import that machine library right in FL Studio. I don't know why I'm playing the metronome. I guess I needed motivation. But let's open up Conant Gardens. Let's go to samples. Let's go to drums. I usually start with kicks when I'm looking for a sound or like an idea of what the pack's gonna sound like. So for me, this would be more about like tight. You have to have tight records, like, very short sample records. Now, Marble Rims is my favorite one so far. So these are all my favorites, but Marble Rims is my go-to. The drums are a little bigger, mainly for club use, etc. Like this one's pretty tight. Let's use these two. But they also have textured kicks, which is important for like boom bap. So there's so many aspects to making hip hop. Sometimes you don't want a clean sample that's just punchy. Sometimes you want it a little texture. So let's see here if I can find it. So if we need to swap the kick, we'll do that. But let's create a little rhythm. We're gonna make this more boom bap style. So I'm gonna move a little fast because I don't want to explain everything about FL Studio right now. I'm gonna delay the clap. Let's use a little swing. Okay, now we have a swing. So let's find a hi-hat. So this is, it's simple. It's not difficult. Now again, just like kicks, I like my percussion to have alternatives, so it sounds like you're playing them off each other. Now I'm just trying to find which one. You see how these two hi-hats play off each other even though they're not from the same exact kit specifically? I'm gonna use a little time shift to make this feel more real. Also, I don't want swing on my hi-hats. And I want a little more realism with the velocity. Very simple to get a loop going. Let's add a snare here. See how these snares are super big? I don't necessarily want a big snare for this vibe. Now, luckily this one sits underneath the track, so it's not huge. But that's where I would go back to Conant Gardens and grab a snare from there. Just a tight snare. Just layer that snare underneath. So now we have swing. Let's add some chords. Now I'm trying to decide which sound I like. We're gonna program it in this sound, an old Korg M1 emulation. Then I'll go to Rhodes piano if need be. Hit the wrong notes. At the end, let me get rid of that last chord. Did not mean to play it. Let me just go on manually. Delete the last chord. Just switching up chords. I think this sounds a little plasticky. Let's just switch it up. Now I'm gonna move in fast to FL Studio. I'm not trying to be so long-winded about everything. Is that a bass line in here? Now we jump around and scale so much, but using borrowed chords. So I might mess up on a couple notes because I didn't practice. So I'm freestyling the bass. Let's do this record. That's where we switch key, so. I might pull this down an octave. I liked when I jumped down an octave, but here I'm gonna have to pull it up an octave. So right here should be done. Should be G. So again, we're freestyling the bass. See where we go. totally messed that up because I started off messing up with the half step and I continued on that messing upness. Let's go to a new pattern so we don't have to delete stuff. Ending was a little wobbly anyway with the chords. So here's what I'm going to do. Instead of all those incorrectly timed chords, let's just pull it over, swap this out. I don't know why I'm spending so much time just showing you my favorite sounds. Trying to make a beat out of it. I don't know why, but I guess I'm showing you how to use them in context. Start mixing this stuff real quick. Not gonna spend all day on this. Run these through a preamp. Oh, I forgot. We gotta move the bass back. You can find shakers and percussion to keep the track moving. Like that one, it's pretty cool. So that's why I like this one the most, Marble Rims. It just has the sounds that I love personally. Just add the delay to this. Again, we could spend all day on this stuff, but I'm trying to wrap it up. So just a little stuff. Again, I'm spending way too much time on little stuff. So you get the concept by now, I hope. Thanks for watching today. It's busyworksbeats.com. If you want to continue the sample series, go to busyworksbeats.com/sample. And be sure to subscribe right here on YouTube, youtube.com/busyworksbeats. Please like and share the video so we can help more producers and artists around the world. It's busyworksbeats.com.